Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is progress check 4. So let's get started. Read a conversation between Ellie and Ben and put the verbs in the brackets in the past simple. What did you do yesterday, Ben? I had a very busy day yesterday. I got up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast and then I went to my grandparents' house. Did you walk to your grandparents' house? No, I didn't. I rode my bike there. I helped grandfather in the garden. Oh, and what did you do in the afternoon? My grandparents took me to zoo. It was great. Okay, so the next example there was in the brackets in the present simple or the past simple. Okay, let's get started. My cat Snow. This is my cat, Snow. He is a small white cat with a bushy tail. Every day I take him for a walk in the park. He walks everywhere and plays with his ball on the grass. When we return home, he eats his food and then he lies on the carpet. At night, he sleeps on a rug near my bed. A year ago, I took him for a walk and I had lost him. I couldn't find him anywhere. I went home and told my parents. They searched, they searched for him in the parks, and then they went to police station. A few days later, policeman came to our home. Snow was with him. I was so happy to see him again. So, let's say the next one. Put the words in the brackets. Put the words in the brackets into the past simple or present perfect. Okay. So, Julie, have you ever driven a car? No, but I have driven a tractor. Where drove it? Where you drove it? Uh, I have. Oh, sorry. Julie, have you ever driven a car? No, but I have driven a tractor. Where did you drive it? I drove it once last summer on my uncle's farm. Bobby, have you ever visited Germany? No, but I have already visited Portugal. When did you visit Portugal? I visited Portugal 3 years ago. Okay, so let's see the next one. Put the verbs in the brackets into the past continuous. So you can see the right answers from here. So let's check the next one. Put the verse in the brackets in the correct tense. Sue and I went shopping yesterday. I was having lunch while my mom was washing the dishes. Have you finished your homework yet? They have never traveled abroad. Jeff was watching a documentary on TV at 7 o'clock yesterday evening. Diane bought a new computer 2 months ago. I was tidying my room when the lights suddenly went off. Gary has already cooked dinner. Did she walk to school yesterday? Mike has just come home from work. Okay, so see the next one. So let's check the last one. Let's listen.
Progress Check 4. Exercise 7, page 89. What did Peter do last week? Listen and draw a line from the day to the correct picture.
Look and listen. There is one example.
Were you on Wednesday, Peter?
I was at home on Wednesday.
Oh, did you watch TV? There was a basketball game on.
No, I didn't watch TV. I washed the dishes.
Can you see the line from the word Wednesday? On Wednesday, Peter washed the dishes. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Were you at home on Monday?
No, I wasn't. I always meet my friend on Mondays.
Did you play basketball?
No, we didn't. We watched a film at the cinema.
Was it a good film?
Yes, it was great.
2.
Did you go to the zoo last weekend, Peter?
Yes, I did. I went to the zoo with my mum and dad.
Did you go on Saturday or on Sunday?
We went on Sunday. Dad never works on Sundays, so we always go out.
3.
What did you do on Friday?
I met my friend again on Friday.
Did you go shopping?
No, we didn't. We played basketball.
Oh, I see.
4.
Did you help your mum on Thursday?
Yes, I did. I often help my mum on Thursdays.
Did you wash the dishes?
No, I didn't. I helped Mum at the supermarket. We bought lots of food.
5.
And what about Saturday? What did you do on Saturday?
I went out with my parents in the evening.
Where did you go?
We went to my favourite restaurant. I ate pizza.
Do you always eat pizza at your favourite restaurant?
Yes, I do. I love pizza.
Now listen again.
Okay, that was the last one. So see you on next videos.